children and take them for their own, but they all seem to pass me by, and why I never know. I know they want to take me, but when they see I'm blind, they always take some other child, and I am left behind. I'm nobody's child, I'm nobody's child. I'm like a flower just growing wild. Nobody's kisses and no daddy's smile. Nobody wants me, I'm nobody's child. Protect them from the danger and the fury of the sea, 'cause the little boats of Newfoundland, Lord, mean the world to me. My mama told me stories when I was just a little boy about the little boats of Newfoundland that sometimes made her cry. And she told me of the dangers and the fury of the sea that will remain to the day I die in my memory. Brave men, she said, is what they are. Those who face the icy wind, knowing as they leave their sheltered homes, they may never come back again. And then as the teardrops fill her eyes, and she'd hold my tiny hand and say, son, the proudest things on earth are the little boats of Newfoundland. So when the little boats go out to sea on the shores of Newfoundland, God, do me a favor and guide them with your hand. Protect them from the danger and the fury of the sea, 'cause the little boats of Newfoundland, Lord, mean the world to me. Just the little boats of Newfoundland, Lord, mean the world to me.
Mm-hmm.